now, the state of rest will be overcome so that the blocks will move and be in the state of motion. Observe, huh? There is, right? There is.
Yes.
How about this one? Observe.
Wala.
Wala ka?
Wala.
Wala ka? In other words, inertia is not overcome. Right? Inertia is not overcome, right?
Ako yung hammer, sir. Ako yung hammer, sir. Kaya kasi ko niya, minuan, walin mo.
Okay. Okay. Then,
Grabe, hammer.
wait. Right now, I feel that because of the weight.
Yes.
Suppose I'm going to hammer this one. If motion there will happen, then inertia is overcome. And how will I know that inertia is overcome? There will be additional pain, right?
Yes, and there's blood.
Okay? Okay.
Ako sa, sir.
I'm going to hammer. Now, you look at everything here. Do not look at my eyes.
Yes.
Look and listen. Again. Yeah? Again. You focus your attention because of this. Okay. Suppose I'm going to lift the balloon.
Sir, kuha ka ng isa pa ng white.
If I'm going to hammer, wait. If I'm going to hammer this one with less inertia, what will happen?
No pain.
Yes. If I'm going to hammer this one, dili ko yay.